This is the review of Moen Magnetix. I didn't like this shower for many reasons. It looks great, but as you can see, it always touches the wall. And when you open up the shower, it always goes right here. If you want to change, lower it down, you can see how the magnetic hand shower becomes loose. If you lower it even more down, it becomes hanging. You can see how I'm struggling to get it up. If I'm changing some settings, just look. You can see how the water pressure also drops over there. Not that bad, but yeah. This is the only mode I like in the shower. And if you want to turn it down, it against the shower comes all the way down. This handle is not easy at all. Talking about the hand shower, they have this pause button right here on the top. That's a very bad design. When you're holding the shower, you accidentally press on it many times. And this button right here is not really easy to change with one finger. You need to really use both your hand and then to change it. Because while changing it, you accidentally press this one right here. And you can see how hard it is to put back. It's not as simple. There you go. And for some reason, it doesn't stand straight. When you put it down, one stands like like in a crossway. It always, while adjusting, it goes in the side. Oops, there we go. Okay. This one doesn't worth the $100 at all. Maybe 40, maybe 30, yeah. But $100 for something like this, I would never pay that. I also have a Delta shower. I paid probably 90 or 100 bucks for it. And it's okay, it's doing great. There's no problem with it. But this one, it got a design fault, lot of design fault, not even one. You can't lower the shower, you can't take out the hand shower and then put it back. While adjusting this comes all the way down, and this one right here, you press it, you can press it accidentally many times. I would say this is the worst shower you can buy for this price.